And another one. This is Billy Nellis here, and you're now tuned in to Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. So you're probably wondering, how do affiliate marketers like us, who didn't cheat and got results with no advertising budget from start, want to effectively run an affiliate marketing business online? How do we get closer to financial freedom without using strategies that take a toll on our bank accounts? That's the big question, and you will find the answer on this podcast. My name is Billy Nellis, and welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. Welcome to another one. This is part 2 of the 3 things you need to know in order for you to get to the level. I ate my words there. To the level of getting $1,000 plus days online as an affiliate marketer. And, I covered on part 1. If you missed it, I suggest that you go back and you listen to the previous episode. But this one is part 2. So part 2 is about mentorship, right? Mentorship is really important in what you want to achieve. And I don't know if I created that, but I kind of go with kind of like my own 10x rule with this. And it goes as so. So if you want to achieve, for example, $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing, you are going to have to find someone that has at least 10 years of experience in what you want to achieve. And with that said, it would be 10 years of experience with affiliate marketing, right? So you would have to find somebody that has at least 10 years of experience with that. But also, you're going to take your goal of $10,000 per month that you want to achieve, right? And you're going to want to multiply that by 10. So therefore, that person that you're going to also, the person that you're going to find is also going to have to be making now at least $10,000 per month times 10, and that right there means $100,000, and therefore this is the 10x rule. So at least 10 years of experience in what you want to achieve. And then you're going to take your goal and you're going to multiply that by 10. And that person is going to have to making that, to making your goal times 10 right now. Right. And that's exactly what happened to me. Right. I got, access to mentorship, and I kind of attract that to myself without even knowing. And the person that I've been learning from, that I learned from when I came across the trending affiliate marketing business model and the proven method to implement to get, results and income with any business online, basically, was making 100,000 plus per month online with affiliate marketing, and they had at least 10 years of experience. Matter of fact, it was about around 30, right? So that's really important right there. And that's, I don't like to use that word, but it kind of gives you a shortcut in terms of you getting results, because instead of figuring things out by yourself, you're actually learning from somebody that's actually getting results from it today, that is implementing their method today, so that you can do the same thing and get results for yourself. And even if it was to be 10% of that, you're going to get to your goals. You're going to get to what you want to achieve. And that's why mentorship is really important. And that applies to not only affiliate marketing, but anything in life. And if you were to come across someone that doesn't obey by the 10x rule, that means, they don't have 10 years of experience and they're not making at least $100,000 per month. Well, they have to plug you into the source. So they would have to plug you into the person that is actually obeying by that rule, or they would have to have learned that from somebody that applies to the 10x rule. That's kind of how I'm able to gauge that. And, that's what kind of happened to me. I got plugged into the source. Mentorship kind of came to me. I learned a proven method of marketing from someone that had 30 years of experience and that was already making $100,000 per month online. And at that time, it was with affiliate marketing. So really important, mentorship, getting a mentor, going by the 10x rule right there is really something that's going to help you get results quickly so that you don't have to learn by yourself and figure things out, all alone, right? Unity is a must, and that's why mentorship coaching is great in the sense where it's not going to take you, a super long time in order for you to, start getting results with what you want to achieve. So that's it for part number 2, mentorship. Like I said previously, if you missed part 1, go back to the previous episode, and part 3 is coming up on the next one. Do you want to know how to set up any affiliate marketing business online the right way without being tech savvy? Go to affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com and get access to the free 5 video series on how to do that right now.